Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to create a report using Python. So here I'm going to teach you how to create a report using Python. So here right now, there will be some stuff to do. So here, why automate reporting with Python? So efficiency, customization, and popularity. This Python's usage in data science surged to 13.58% in 2022. Stats and data highlights its growing importance as a leading tool for data analysis and reporting. So here, step 1 is to set up your environment. So here, embark on your Python reporting journey by first establishing a robust development environment. This foundation ensures smooth execution and effective management of your project. So all you need to do is install Python and libraries. Ensure you have Pythons installed, then install essential libraries like pandas for data manipulation and um, for creating compelling visualization and virtual environment. Adopt best practice by using virtual environment and choose your IDE. Select an integrated development environment that suits your workflow. Popular choice include VS Code, PyCharm, and Zopter and Notebook, each offering unique benefits for Python's development. Here, prepare and analyze data with pandas. So here, load data easily. Pandas simplifies the process of importing data from various sources such as CSV files, Excel spreadsheet, or direct database connections. Its flexible API handles diverse data formats with ease. Clean transform, achieve data accuracy, drive meaningful insights by cleaning and transforming your database. Panda provides powerful functions for handling missing values, filtering, and reshaping data. Powerful analysis utilize Panda's extensive features for in-depth data analysis, perform uh, aggr- aggregations, aggregation, and statistical operation to uncover trends and patterns within your data. Step 3 is visualize data with Matplotlib. So here is create your custom chart. Design a wide array of customized chart from simple line plots of complex 3D visualization to effective highlight key insight and detail your data story. So annotate for clarity, enhance readability by adding labels, title, legends, and annotations directly to your charts. This ensures your audience understand the crucial data point at a glance. So here embedded in a report, save your meticulously crafted plots in various image formats like PNG, JPEG, or SVG for seamless integration into your final report, maintaining visual fidelity. Here, step 4 is generate the report in PDF or HTML. So PDF report generation for professional print ready reports leverage libraries like ReportLab or PFPDF. These tools allow you to programmatically create complex PDF documents with text, image, and charts. HTML reports creation when interactivity and web-based sharing are priorities. Combine pandas with Jinja2 templates to generate dynamic HTML reports. Alternatively, explore specialized tools like Report Creator and then automate and schedule. The true power of Python lies in automation. Write scripts to generate report automatically and schedule their execution using cron jobs. So Linux slash Mac OS or task scheduler for Windows. So here final thoughts, automotive, customize and scale. So Python empowers you to create beautiful, repeatable reports that not only save time but also deliver compelling insights by combining data processing, advanced visual, and seamless automations. You can achieve maximum impact with minimal effort. Start small and then scale up once mastered. Scale your solution to generate hundreds of reports with parameterized scripts, adapting them to various data sets and stakeholders. So transform workflow, ready to transform your reporting workflow. Let Python do the heavy lifting freeing you to focus on analysis and strategic decision making. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.